is the 14th of October 2020 years. Hämeenkatu would be the last lot in Swedish. Building 17, Tampere, Finland. And this one has 6 floors. It's a bit boring now, it has structures.
Yeah.
Still the cap is preserved and it was built in 1936, turning 85 years old. The serial number is H2199. This stays 3 versions of 24 grams and it's in Swedish and Finnish there.
Yeah.
With 6 floors. It will be inspected this year, 2020. It's a bit narrow here.
Yeah.
How could it build it so narrow?
Yeah. It's
strange.
Yeah, it's very rare.
That is really rare, yeah. Maybe because it was added later into the building.
Yeah.
This building is probably from the early 20th century.
Yeah.
It's pretty beautiful. Like a castle or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Castle-like architecture in Tampere. Of course, they have it here. In the city center. And
Yeah.
this door was added later.
Yeah.
But it doesn't say when it was added. They ripped it off. Let me have a look here. The button has changed also. I guess this door is... This door looks like it's from the early 2000s. Maybe this was also prolonged or modernized in the early 2000s.
Yeah.
But when was it modernized? In 2011?
Yeah. And so probably this was added in 2011 still, but
Yes.
yeah.
But they used a spare part for the door that is from the early 2000s.
Yeah.
It's still beautiful,
Yeah.
except these buttons.
Yeah.
And it's very rare, it's narrow. So of course it was worth filming it.
Yeah. That's
Thank you very much for watching.